Good afternoon, students. In the previous class, we had already discussed insertion by using BST or binary search tree. Okay, or create a binary search tree by using data or by taking list of data. Now we are discussing deletion of data element by using BST or by using binary search tree. Okay, deletion by using BST or binary search tree. So three conditions are there. Okay, number one condition is if zero child is present under a node, and the second condition is if one child is present under a node. Okay, and the third condition is if two children are present under a node. Okay, first we take this example. Suppose this is an example. So we had already take this example in the previous class. So in this example, so see here 31 is a node. Okay, so under 31 there is no child. That means 0 child is present under 31. If we want to delete 31, so we have delete 31, so there is no change occur. So after deletion of 31, the tree is look like this way. That means there is no 31, the tree is look like this way. Okay, so you simply delete 31. Then the second condition is if one child is present under a node. So see this second condition, if one child is present. Suppose 6 is a node. Under 6, one node is present, that is 4. And 4 is a node. Under this, one child is present, and that is 5. So we take this example. Suppose a node is 4. So under 4, only one child is present. And I want to delete this 4. So simply I delete 4, and after that 6 is pointing to 5. Or 5 is left child of the 6. Okay. Otherwise, we replace 5 in place of 4. Simply we delete 4, then we replace 5 in place of 4. So this is the second condition. Okay. Then we take the third condition. And the third condition is if two children are present under a node. So see this. If two children present under a node. So number one is in order predecessor, we take one condition, and second condition is in order successor. Okay. So first we take in order predecessor. So see this example. This is an example. Okay. So the root node is 11. So this is the left subtree. See here, this is left subtree, and see here, this is right subtree. Okay. So suppose if we want to delete 11, okay. So under 11, there are two children. See here, one is 6, another one is 19. So if we want to replace 11 by in order predecessor, then we take the left subtree. Okay. And from this left subtree, we find out the largest element. So see here, the left subtree is, or left nodes are 6, 4, 8, 5, 10. And the largest value of the node is 10. Okay. We simply replace the value of 11 by 10. So you simply replace. So you put here 10, other value are same. And this is 6, 4, 8, 5. Okay. And the right value are also same. And this is 19, 17, 43, 31 and 49. So this is known as in order predecessor. Predecessor means before. Predecessor means before. Okay. Then the second method is in order successor. Successor means after. Okay. So in this case, we want to replace replace 11 with the value of with right value, any right value. So in this case we take the right subtree, and in the right subtree the smallest value is 17. We take the smallest value and the smallest value is 17. Now replace 11 with 17. Okay, you simply replace 11 with 17. So see here, after replacement or after replace, the 17 is present here. Other data are same. Okay, and this is the second method. This is in order successor, and the first method is in order predecessor. Okay, so see here, in this case the value are in ascending order. Take this tree, the value are in ascending order. See here, the value are 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 11, 17, 19, 31, 43, 49. So the value are ascending order. Okay, if we use in order predecessor, the value are also in ascending order, but only one value is not present, and that value is 11. See here, the value are 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 17, 19, 31, 43, and last value is 49. Okay, if we use in order successor, then the value are also in ascending order, and this is 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 17, 19, 31, 43, 49. Okay, so this is the deletion process in BST or in binary search tree. So we know that binary search tree means the left subtree is less than that of right subtree, or the value of left subtree is less than or equal to that of root, and the value of right subtree is greater than that of root. Okay, so now we are discussing insertion and deletion by using binary search tree. In the next class, we will discuss threaded binary tree. Okay, thanking you.